Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in Blockman GO. Changing your password in Blockman GO is super easy. Launch open the Blockman GO application on your device like you normally do and log into your account. Once you're signed into the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. This will now take you to your profile section where you need to scroll down and click on Security. Under Security, tap on Modify Password. On the next page, enter the email that is bound to the account, or if it is already typed in, tap on Next. On the next page, enter the verification code that has been emailed to you. Open up the email from Blockman GO and type it down, and type down the verification code that you received. Now click Confirm. On the next page, enter the new password you want to change to. Make sure to enter the password that is 8 characters long with letters, numbers or symbols. Once you are done, repeat the password once again in the next field and finally click on Done. Soon after you do that, you have successfully changed your password. You can now go ahead and log in again with your credentials in the sign-in page. Make sure to enter the correct password while logging in. Type in the newly updated password every time you sign into your account from now onwards. After you do that, you will be able to log in with your new password in Blockman GO. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.